I'm introducing now new timer feature for Jira timesheet. For timesheet for Jira. Click here and then start timer. This is done for vibe coding by agent, like Microsoft Visual Studio Code Copilot agent. Now it's saved it and put the clock. And these features is works with tabulator. And here you can press enter. And then you can export to Excel like this. There is hours, minutes and seconds and start times.